Hello everyone, so welcome to this tutorial wizard. So in this tutorial we are going to use the logo to generate a logo. Okay, so wizard gives us the tool does it generate image to be able to generate a logo. So I'm going to change here to we have this logo. So choose the logo. I'm going to type a prompt. So fox with let's say a blue outline. Then let's see what. So we're going to wait for it to generate. Once it's generated, okay, so we have it generated. That was quick. So fox with a blue outline. Okay, so let's see the options. I think last one. Yeah, I'll go for the last one. Okay, and I think I want to be a standalone image. So all I have to do is to export it. Okay, in the export menu. Once it's exported, I can just drag it. Okay, or copy it or move it into this particular software. Move background.bg. Once the background is removed, yeah, I can download it and then upload it back onto Wizard or yeah. So let me move back to Wizard. Now I like the outcome, so it's a standalone image now to a logo. So if it's not able to move, you can rather go to your images and then just drag it from there. And just use this. Okay. So basically, this is how to use the logo to image generator tool in Wizard. Okay, so you can see now we can resize it. Okay. So when you do that for the first time, it will be static after some time.